I'm sorry, having a lot of chaos. So let's start it. Hi, have you really gained weight recently on your belly part? Do you feel unproportionate around your belly? And or do you want to know how to reduce belly? If yes, then you are at correct place. Hi, I'm dietitian Kanika Sajdev from NutriCare Bliss from Mumbai with vast experience of 19 years as a consultant dietitian, bariatric dietitian, diet exhibitor, diabetic educator, and I have done a lot of talk shows and webinars for the diet awareness. So here I am, one stop to your wellness. Now tell me, all this session is all about. This session is all about belly fat. How to reduce your belly fat. So in this session, we'll be learning what is belly fat, how to reduce that, and how we can uh, pr- uh, how we can just get out of it and come to the normal. Yes, it's not a magical thing. We need to be little efficient in that, and we really need to do little bit of the changes in the habits. So are you ready to change your little habits for reducing your belly fat? If yes, please type I in the chat box. Come on, come on, my audience, please. I want to know whether I am able to sync with you or not. So please type I in the chat box. So everybody wants to know that, right? Great. So let's start about the belly fat. What is belly fat? Belly fat is fat around your waistline, or should I say it abdominal fat? Okay, irrespective of your weight, high or low. So the fat around your abdomen part is called as belly fat, which is a very bad fat. Why we say bad fat? Because it it is very much related to the diseases like uh, sorry, yeah, it is very much related to the diseases like diabetes, heart problems, and inflammations. So we need to be very careful and we need to be very prompt to remove this belly fat. We look unproportionate, that is one thing, that is an outer thing, but internally there are fat deposits around the belly, so that is not good for the health. Okay, so that's why, so many times आपने देखा होगा कि कोई गर्ल, कोई लेडी विल बी लीन एंड थिन, बट उसके बेली पे फैट होएगा. So that is called belly fat. Okay, so we need to take care of that. Now, this is about belly fat. Now, the most important thing, how to reduce that belly fat. There are many factors. I'm giving you 7 tips today, okay, to reduce the belly fat. First of which is calorie deficit. Okay, so what is calorie deficit? In normal terms, we can say calorie deficit as calories output should be more than calories input. That means आपका कैलोरी बर्निंग शुड बी मोर देन कैलोरी इनटेक. आपके खाने से ज्यादा कैलोरी बर्न होना चाहिए. बट दैट डजंट मीन कि आप अपना खाना छोड़ दो या खाना कम कर दो, आप भूखे रहना शुरू कर दो कि मैंने तो कम कैलोरीज ली हैं तो फिर मैं आपका कैलोरीज कम बर्न करूंगा. नहीं, अगर हम कैलोरीज कम लेंगे तो आर मेटाबॉलिक रेट विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. Again, there will be issues. So make sure that you are eating optimized, but you are burning calories also. That means we have to take care of two things, diet as well as the exercise. So by doing calorie deficit of 500 calories per day, you can attain half kg of weight loss in a week. So make sure you are not eating your dense calories. Okay? Dense calories every day. Dense calories क्या हो जाती हैं? Anything which is very high in calorie. Like अगर हम फुल्का लेते हैं, वो फुल्का आपका 80 कैलोरीज का होगा. अगर हम उतनी ही लोई की पूरी ले लेते हैं, वो आपकी 150 कैलोरीज हो जाएगी. सो पूरी विल बी अ डेंस कैलोरीज. कोल्ड ड्रिंक इज अ डेंस कैलोरी. Any fried item is a dense calorie. Now, the second point is diet. As we live with the diet, we do all the exercise with all the things with the diet. So we need to be very careful what exactly we are eating. Most of the times we are taking care of the quantity of the diet, but many times we are not taking care of the quality of diet. So we need to work on both the things, quantity and quality of the diet. Okay. So in diet, first point is we need to take care of the high fiber diet. We need to take high fiber diet. What is high fiber diet? इन अ लोकल लैंग्वेज हम बोलें तो घास फूस. हाँ, तो जैसे ये घास फूस होता है वेजिटेबल्स में, होल ग्रेन्स में, लेग्यूम्स में. So in this, we need to take care of that we are taking lot of vegetables, lot of whole grains and everything, and one serving of fruit. Even fruit has a lot of fiber. So make sure that you are eating fiber. Now, this fiber gives many benefits, like it fills your stomach, okay, and secondly it absorbs water and cleanses up your everything. Okay, so that's why a lot of fiber is needed. Second diet point is we need to take high protein diet. Okay, what is high protein diet? Protein is our basic required for everything in the body. Like हमारे hairs protein से बनते हैं, हमारा every cell and tissues protein से बनता है. So we need to have high protein. Why high protein? Because protein releases intake of the protein releases a fullness hormones which decreases your appetite. तो जब आपकी appetite कम हो जाती है, तब आप ज़्यादा मंचिंग नहीं करते हो, ज़्यादा शुगरी फूड्स नहीं खाते हो. So it's very important to have high protein diet. Even high protein gives fullness. It gives satiety to us. So make sure that in every meal you are consuming protein. Okay. Next is don't that avoid trans fatty acids. What are trans fatty acids? Trans fatty acids are nothing, just it's a fats which are pumped with hydrogen for the palatable issue, or for them able to use in a more recipes like margarine, जो हमारे बिस्किट्स में जनरली यूज होता है, या स्प्रेड्स जैसे चीज स्प्रेड्स होते हैं, जितने स्प्रेड्स होते हैं दे यूज मार्जरीन. इफ यू रीड द लेबल देन यू कैन सी द ट्रांस फैटी एसिड्स और मार्जरीन. मार्जरीन अभी वैसे बेटर हो गया है कि कम यूज करते हैं, बट अगेन देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स विच आर मेड अप ऑफ मार्जरीन. सो मेक श्योर that you are reading labels and you are avoiding trans fatty acids. Okay, yeah, trans fats. Okay, next point is we need to take care of reduce your stress levels. Yes, even stress level increases your belly fat. Now let us see how they both are related, stress levels and the belly fat. Stress level increases your stress hormone called as cortisol. Cortisol increases your appetite, and you tend to eat and appetite and craving. So you tend to eat more simple carbs, more fattening foods, and it get deposits on the abdomen. So that is the reason that stress level should be lesson. And how to listen this stress levels तो अब सबको है. अगर आप किसी स्टूडेंट को देखोगे, स्टूडेंट को भी है, किसी एल्डरली पर्सन को देखोगे तो उनको भी स्ट्रेस लेवल है. तो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर involved in one or another pleasurable activity which gives you a pleasure. So make sure that you are doing that. So even stress, once the stress level is reduced, your belly fat is also reduced. This cortisol increases your appetite and thrive for the eating, munching sugary foods. So make sure you are reducing it. Next is, fourth point is, we need to take care of the liquid calories, the beverages. Okay? किस किस को टी और कॉफी पसंद है? Come on, type I in the chat box. किस किस को टी और कॉफी ऐसे बेवरेजेस पसंद है? सीसीडी जाना और ये सब कॉफी बैरिस्टा, स्टारबक्स. कम ऑन, लेट मी नो हु ऑल एंजॉयज दीज टी लिक्विड बेवरेजेस. अरे आज तो पाव भाजी खाई है, एक कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स तो बनती ही है. ये कौन कौन एंजॉय करता है? Yes, because most of the people enjoys this. Good to accept that. But these liquid calories do have calories, which we tend to forget that. Okay, so make sure that you don't forget that these liquid calories like tea, coffee, cold drinks have calories. हम बोलते हैं अरे एक चाय तो पी है. अब हम सीसीडी जाते हैं, स्टारबक्स जाते हैं, वहां की जो टी कॉफी है मिनिमम ऑफ 250 to 300 कैलोरीज हैं. सो think about it before you take it next time. And our brain doesn't register liquid calories as solid calories, so that's why we tend to take it more. Okay, we take it more. So make sure next time, whenever you are having liquid calories like tea, coffee, even in the house, lassi, these carry tang, these carry calories. So make sure, and these carry the fructose ones. The fructose increases your belly fat directly. It gets stored in the belly part area. So make sure that you are not indulging more into this. Next is, we need to care of exercise. We are talking more about input of the calories. Now let's talk about the output of the calories. Okay, as I said, we need to do a preparation of a calorie deficit. हमको calorie deficit का scenario बनाना है, तो we need to take care of that. हम input better कर रहे हैं, normal कर रहे हैं, तो output भी होनी चाहिए. Exercise is very important part in the calorie deficit thing and the reducing belly part. Now, which exercise to be done? कार्डियो एक्सरसाइज इज वेरी, देखा गया है कार्डियो एक्सरसाइज बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल रही है हमारे उसमें बेली फैट को कम करने में. इवन वेट ट्रेनिंग एक्सरसाइज, वेट ट्रेनिंग इज वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. हम जितना वेट ट्रेनिंग करेंगे हमारा मसल्स यूज होएगा, तो उसको हमारी मसल्स कन्वर्ट होंगे, फैट डिपॉजिट्स कम होंगे. सो वेट ट्रेनिंग इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इवन योगा, इवन आपके क्रंचेस, आपके वो अब्डोमेन मसल्स को टोनिंग अप करेंगे एक्सटर्नली. इंटरनली फैट डिपॉजिट्स आपका कार्डियो कम करेगा और एक्सटर्नली आपका stretchings, yoga, crunches that will tighten up your abdominal muscles. So it's a two-way process. So we need a combination of exercise. One exercise will not help you. We need to do cardio also. We need to do weight training also. So make sure you are doing minimum of 30 minutes of exercise and taking to the 60 minutes of exercise per day. So try to include that. Now, and another point of the exercise is that exercise releases a stress relieved hormone. आपने देखा होगा, आप जब भी वॉक करके आते हो, कोई भी फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करके आते हो, देन देयर इज अ योर मूड इज मोर एलिवेटेड, यू आर मोर हैप्पी because exercises releases a good hormone oxytocin, which is a happy go lucky hormone. You always feel better after doing exercise, so it releases your stress. So make sure that every day you are doing exercise. Next, sixth is get plenty of restful sleep. Yes, sleep and belly fat are interrelated. So make sure how they are interrelated. Lack of sleep releases a stress hormone cortisol, which increases your munching, your craving power, and eventually it gives rise to belly fat. So make sure that again you are having a very good sleep around 6 to 7 hours. In during sleep, our body releases growth hormone which repairs and grow your body. So if you are not taking 6 to 7 hours sleep, your growth hormone is not released properly. So your repair of the body is not done. Make sure you are sleeping. Keep for this I'll say keep away your mobile at least जस्ट ऐसी जगह अपना मोबाइल रखिए आप कि उसके लिए उसको आपको उठना पड़े आप बिकॉज वंस वी गो इन बेड एंड वी आर लिटिल नॉट स्लीपी हमें लगता है चलो हम 5 मिनट मोबाइल पे देख लेते हैं क्या क्या व्हाट्सएप आया एफबी पे क्या आया इंस्टा पे क्या आया है अगर हम वो देखने बैठते तो हमारी तो स्लीप गई राइट सो मेक श्योर कि आप अपने बेड से मोबाइल इतना दूर रखें कि उसको उठाने के लिए आपको जाना पड़े Okay, so sleep is very important for reducing your belly fat. As I said, it's a mutual benefit, it's a holistic approach. We need to keep a holistic approach. Okay, last but not the least, we need to take care of that change in the lifestyle. Change in the lifestyle regarding food, regarding your sleep pattern, regarding your exercise pattern. इट्स नॉट अ जादू कि हम एक बार में बेली फैट हमने इरेज कर दिया इट विल टेक टाइम एंड इट्स अ holistic thing so we need to keep it in mind that we need to change our lifestyle by changing our keeping ourselves in a healthy habits form खाना तो हम सभी खाते हैं कैसा खाना खाना है कितने बजे खाना खाना है ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है अगर आप रोज 9-9:30 ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं प्लीज स्टिक टू दैट टाइम if you are eating your lunch at 1-1:30 keep sticking to that try to maintain your sleeping pattern also as I said what's the importance of sleep so we need to give a holistic approach that is very very important so make sure that you are taking care of all these seven steps your diet, your exercise, your liquid calories, your sleep, then your calorie deficit, then make sure that you are not having too much of sugary foods, then take care of your stress levels. So, these seven things you need to take care so that we can erase a belly fat, we can reduce a belly fat. So, here I conclude by saying this. So, now the session is open for the questions. Please ask questions in the chat box so that I can answer them. Please type your questions in the chat box. You can ask questions. You can write questions in the chat box also, or you can send me questions on my chat box also, so that I can answer them. I've sent the details in the chat box, so you can always contact me for any diet queries or any questions or anything, any confusions or anything you want to ask. You can ask the questions. You can type questions in the chat box. Yeah, Kavita, you have asked which exercise help and what type of diet to follow. As I told you, which exercise, cardio exercise and weight training helps to reduce belly fat. In cardio exercise, we which exercises we say cardio exercise? The exercise which increases your heart rate. Those are the cardio exercise. And weight training means जैसे हमने 1 kg के डंबल्स लेके हमने एक्सरसाइज की. इट डिपेंड्स आप कितना केजी कर सकते हो. दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. And type of diet to be followed, it's highly individualized on a, as I given the tips of the diet कि आपको ट्रांस फैटी एसिड्स अवॉइड करने चाहिए, आपको हाई फाइबर डाइट लेनी चाहिए, आपको शुगरी प्रोडक्ट्स कम करने चाहिए, कीप अ वॉच ऑन योर लिक्विड कैलोरीज. सो दीज टिप्स यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट. अगर मैं आपको डाइट बताने जाऊंगी तो 1 आवर तो मैं डाइट एक्सप्लेन करने में लग जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव गिवन द टिप्स कि यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ द टिप्स. अब जैसे मैंने बताया हाई फाइबर डाइट. हाई फाइबर डाइट में आपका वेजिटेबल्स आ गए, फ्रूट आ गया, होल लेग्यूम्स आ गई, आपकी दाल आ गई. तो दैट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ. आई होप आई हैव आंसर्ड यू. Any other questions? Okay, then we are winding up this session over here only. Is that if there are any questions, you can always ask me in the group also. You can tag me and ask me, or you can directly message me on the messenger, and they I have given my details also over there. Okay, chalo, see you. Bye.